Alright, here's your amateur tech video for the day. This is an Omega 400 vert juicer, and the switch gave out. I was pressing on it too hard. I was juicing some carrots or something and it got stuck, and it's kind of a pain to fix. So really you can just wedge that switch out with this thing. You don't even have to take it apart, just pull it out, and you got your 3 control wires. And I went to go in and see if I could fix it, but it just looked like it was toast, and I didn't want to mess around with it because it's just a 3-phase motor and it can easily be fixed with just some kind of automobile switch. I mean, this thing's probably a couple dollars at any auto parts store. So I'm just going to try this one and we'll see where that goes. Okay, but the problem is there's no reverse switch. So that could be a problem. You just have to be very careful juicing. And this needs to be taped up, or you could electrocute yourself. But there's no reverse, so you have to be very careful juicing, or else you'll have to switch the polarity of the cords.